Hello, lovelies. You're welcome to yet another interesting class. In this video, you'll learn how to solve problems involving algebraic expressions. But first, let's define what an algebraic term is. An algebraic term is a term consisting of a number and an alphabet. 4y is an algebraic term. A combination of two or more algebraic terms is what results to an algebraic expression. The alphabet in an algebraic term is called a variable. It's a variable because it's usually unknown. Do you know that we can find the value of an algebraic term if we know the values of the variables? For example, find the value of 6b when b is equal to 2. This is simple. To find the value of 6b, all we have to do is replace b with the value that it has been assigned to, and that is 2. So, 6b will be equal to 6 times 2. What can you observe? b was replaced with the value of 2, which was assigned to it from the question. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. This is the required solution. Here is another example. Find the value of 7a minus 2b when a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. Notice that a is equal to 1. So, we would replace a in 7a minus 2b with 1. Similarly, b is equal to 2. We'll replace b with the value 2. Therefore, our result will be 7a minus 2b equal to 7 times 1 minus 2 times 2. Did you notice that we replaced a with 1 and we replaced b with 2? 7 times 1 is equal to 7, minus 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Hence, the result is 3. I hope you understand this. Let's look at one more example on substitution. Find the value of y plus 5z all over x when x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 5, and z is equal to minus 3. Remember, we'll replace x with 4, y with minus 5, and z with minus 3 in y plus 5z all over x. Let's do that now. So y plus 5z all over x will be equal to minus 5 plus 5 times minus 3 all over 4. So what do you notice? Y is equal to minus 5, hence we replaced y with minus 5. Similarly, z is equal to minus 3, so we replaced z with minus 3. Also, x is equal to 4, we replaced x with 4. I hope you understand this. Now, let's multiply 5 by minus 3. 5 times minus 3 is equal to minus 15. Hence, we'll have minus 5 plus minus 15 all over 4. Brackets in mathematics means times. Hence, plus times minus is equal to minus. So we'll have minus So we'll multiply this plus by the minus sign here. Plus times minus is equal to minus. Hence, we would have minus 5 minus 15 all over 4. Minus 5 minus 15 is equal to what? Can you say? If your answer is minus 20, you're correct. So we would have minus 20 all over 4. Minus 20 divided by 4 is equal to minus 5. This is the required answer. I hope you understand this.
Minus
now,
n.
let's go ahead to learn how to remove brackets from algebraic expressions. Here is an example. 9 times 4. To remove the brackets from this algebraic expression, you use the term outside the brackets to multiply each term inside the brackets. 9 will multiply 4 and 9 will multiply n. Did you get this? So 9 times 4 is equal to 36 and 9 times n is equal to minus 9. This is the required answer. Simple, right? Let's go ahead to look at another example. Minus 5m plus n times minus 9m. Remember, I said to remove the bracket from an algebraic expression, you use the term outside the brackets to multiply each term inside the brackets. So minus 9m will multiply minus 5m, and minus 9m will also multiply plus n. Hence, you'd have minus 9m times minus 5m minus 9m times plus n. Let's first multiply these terms here. Minus times minus is plus. 9 times 5 is 45. And m times m is m squared. Let's go to the next term. Minus times plus is minus. 9 times 1, because n do not have any coefficient, what we mean by coefficient is a number at the back of a variable. Since it doesn't have any, it's assumed as 1, because 1 times anything is that same thing. 9 times 1 is equal to 9. M times n is equal to mn. So the required result is plus 45m squared minus 9mn. I hope you've been following the lesson so far. Now let's take an example on expansion of algebraic expressions. Expand m plus 5n times m minus 3n. To expand an algebraic expression, you use the first term in the first bracket, which is m, to multiply each term in the next bracket, and then use the second term, which is 5n, to multiply the terms in the second bracket. So you're going to have m times m minus 3n. That's using the first term in the first bracket to multiply the terms in the second bracket. And we also use plus 5 to multiply the terms in the second bracket. Now, for the first terms, m times m is equal to m squared. M times minus 3n is equal to minus 3mn. Let's go to the next terms. 5 times m is equal to plus 5m. Then plus 5 times minus 3n is equal to minus 15n. This is the required solution. I hope you understand this. Pause the video and take a look at it again. We have come to the end of this video. I hope you learned something. Now, there are evaluation questions underneath this video to ascertain your understanding of the lessons that have been discussed in this video. Take your time to solve them on your own. Until next time, see you.